Okay. Jesus. I'm glad I was recording that. Okay, I'm gonna try to just stick it. I didn't think I was gonna do it right first try. Oh shit, to the stump over here. Into the street.
Nah, man, I'm talking to her, and fucking she.
We're heading. You actually just see that. Like I can see it, but like it's weird. It's
for real.
But yeah, see, I don't mean to pigeonhole you, but like, if we use that wall, it's gotta be. It's not gonna be very nice. Realistically. But I'm thinking you do the jump, do the climb up or whatever, and then oh wait, I could just start up there.
Yeah.
I think we both keep forgetting that it's a POV, and like, no matter how however we edit it, really. We did split apart. If I just start there, watch you do the thing when you climb up, and then after you get about over the bar, like that's when I come down and we go over there and do something. Because we can honestly get a gigantic line with the whole spots here. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh no.
See, it feels weird and like it wouldn't look good, but the fact is I'm gonna be doing so many things with the editing. But you know what looked kind of cool actually? You ran this way, which I didn't expect. What if you actually started it here, and then I start mine like right here and do what I was gonna do already? Right. And when I'm doing like my 180 here, you're just going over like you can, just without the first part.
Up here. Yeah.
Well, yeah, because that looks sick. If I'm in the middle of the air and I see you flying in and like 180 and I'm turned and you're getting on your thing.
And I'm looking, like, and at this point, we're like looking at each other and like nod.
Out of it.
Alright, yeah.
It's gonna take me a few tries, I will admit that.
Oh, good. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
You gotta be over here, right?
3, 2, 1. Yeah, see, that's good. So I think the timing we gotta. Yeah, see. It would work if I did that, but I think we have to change the timing.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Well, restart.
Okay.
I didn't get the scoop.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
See, too early. I was like 3. See, too early. I was actually ready there. Or do we want me to wait a second and let you run past?
Or do you want to go first?
I think you going first would be best, because my upwards trajectory recording.
Me go fast.
Yeah. That's a warm up. I was ready to send it there, but I didn't want you to run into me. You know what I mean?
It'd be hockey all over again. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, see, this is another beast, because each jump has like a different type of consequence.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, coming back.
It's weirder, yeah. I'd rather fall in the bush than. I'm gonna literally 180. You go on 1.
Okay.
I'm gonna spin on like in between 3 and 2.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, see, this is another beast. A little too long. Okay, I'm gonna be scooting while you're climbing. How's that sound?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. 3.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. That's the most. All right, Jesus. I'm glad I was recording that. Okay, I'm gonna try to just stick it.
Ooh.
One. Okay, that was okay. The jump right, and then we'll hit pause and then move on to that part. And then you can step down here, and you don't even have to go for the actual thing. Actually, you just jump to the ground from here. Same trajectory like you're doing it, but try to land next to it. And then
Right.
that should be enough for me to know what that.
Hey.
That was it, minus the uncommit right at the end and then recommit halfway through the, which is why I didn't jump, by the way. Oh, it's weird. I didn't think I was gonna do it right first time. Okay, just no, okay. It's straight. I didn't think I was gonna do it right first try. Okay, to the stump over here. Into the street. Oh snap.